Hey, what's going on, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me the Fish Effects trading community. I'm back with another inspirational video. All right, before we get into it, please remember the risk disclaimer here. All right, guys, let's get into it. So I just want to update you guys on my GJ trade. I got stopped out. At about 40 pips. Let me check this. Let me check my MT4. Yeah. 44 pips stopped me out. And like I mentioned in the last stream, I think what's going on is, oops, wrong one. Well, I know what's going on. Well, what's going on is the market maker reversal, midweek reversal slash reset. I don't think it's going to be a total reversal. Let me see, when was the last pivot? Let me see how much this is. So we're talking 197 pips. So yeah, I don't think this is, it's not a reversal. All right, I think this is just a reset. Okay, how long it's gonna go? It may go for the rest of the week. It may turn back around. Let me put you guys onto this. All right, if you remember earlier in the stream, in the first episode for today, GBP was dark green up here, and JVP, the Japanese yen was in red. All right, and so now what we see is the pound is coming down and the yen is gradually going up. I'll reset this right now so we can see if there is any other changes. So no, it's the same. So basically, I mean, and you also have to look at it like this: when you're trading the pound pairs, you want to trade them during London. All right, you want to be able to get in and trade them during London. Will you have success? Yes, because I have success outside of London. But what happens is London is closing down. All right, it's getting later in the day for London. All right, and Japan is waking up. All right, and so just the foreign exchange, process. These guys are getting ready to go to bed. Nobody's really making any transactions, and these guys are waking up. So that just kind of give you guys some background information. I mean, that's what happens. And so oftentimes, if you trade the market makers method, if you ever just look at the string and the C, and you also just think, with common sense that, oh, okay, this side of the world is going to bed, this side of the world is waking up. So there's a high possibility that the side of the world that's waking up is, the trading is going to go, more in their favor. So it's a possibility. All right. So. But yeah, I just didn't. And if you go back and go to the last stream for today, the first stream for today, you hear me, talk about, hey, I hope that I don't get stopped out. It's all hopes. I mean, really and truly, this is based off of 5 minute. I should have been basing it off of the 1 hour. Okay, and that would have been a good. That still would have been a good risk to reward. Let me take this off here. I think that still would have been a good risk to reward. Placing it here. That would have had us at, a 1.6. So, I mean, that's not bad. And then here, what was it? because we were risking 23 pips. So I think we're about there, somewhere around here. And so that put us at a, you're talking about a 5 to 1. So, but yeah, that would have been that would have been better for me to drop that down. But I got stopped out, guys. So I got stopped out on my GJ trade today. Gold. The last time I looked, gold had not set up for me yet. Yeah. See, I'm waiting for the break, retest, and confirmation of 1955.5 for gold. I just think the momentum will have us to go up. But if not, I will be waiting for gold to go ahead. Now, if I do get a break of this zone right here, this is 1884.64. If I get a break and a retest of that, then I'm gonna sell gold off. All right, I'm gonna sell gold off. Let me show you. I'm gonna sell gold off. All right, and then if we get a break and a retest of 1827, I have to go up to the daily for this. If we get a break of that, here, then of course the first stop, that's the first take profit would be here. Seven gold always confuses me. I'm trading view. That's 17 pips. 1700. I want to say, I think it's 1700. But anyway, so that would be like the first take profit to look at. And then, it'll just be like short take profits on the way down. Until you get here. Talking. From here to here is 85. So that would be a decent pickup. So that's what I'm waiting on gold. S&P 500, I don't believe was set up either just yet. Yeah, no. I'm looking for it to come up here and break and retest 3389.2. Of course, actually this zone was a distribution zone for me, but it failed. The zone failed, so it fell back here. Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. Yeah, that would have been the trade to take. Nice to take that trade. But that's pretty much it. You guys saw earlier today, I showed you how Amazon gapped up, skipped over some orders. Let's see if they came back. Nope, it did not come back. So this trade would have been in profit. I did not take this. I just marked it up. Yeah. So all right, guys, it's lunchtime. Let me see if anybody disagrees. People usually agree with my markups. Yeah. Gold long. Yeah. GJ long. Yeah. Just got stopped out. Alright guys, it's lunchtime for me and the family. We're going to go ahead and do that. I appreciate you. I appreciate your view. If you are a new viewer, please go ahead and subscribe. I will be back. I will be back to analyze these charts and take trades. So always remember, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. Until next time, happy pip fishing.